I got this really great ceiling fan light. I am so excited to install it downstairs. We've got a little gym area down in our basement, and it would be so nice to have this fan while working out. So I'm going to show you what comes in the box and show you how simple it is to install. Okay, here's how it comes. Comes with the remote, comes with the light, and then here are the blades for the fan. I'm going to install it real quick and show you how great and simple it is. Do you guys see how easy that was to install? It's the perfect size for this little room. And then with the remote, there are a lot of different functions I'm going to show you. So I can turn it off with the remote. And that turns the light and the fan off. You can have just the light going. So if I push the fan button, it turns off the fan. You can change the brightness. It's lighter, dimmer, lighter, the color temperature, and that's when it's a nice dim color, a dim one. Then there's the different settings for the fan. That's the high speed, middle speed, and low speed. This fan is awesome. Can't wait to keep using it when we work out. It also has these timers where you can do it for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours if you want it to just go for a certain amount of time. But this is a super cool product, and I am so excited to use it.